Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Charge both earbuds and the case above 20% so the process won't cut out. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and remove any previous Hypergear listings to prevent conflicts. Next, press and hold each earbud's primary button for 3 to 5 seconds until you see the LED flash alternating blue and red. That indicates pairing mode. This makes the earbuds discoverable, so make sure the phone stays on the Bluetooth screen while you continue to the next. Now, on your phone, look for the Hypergear name in the available devices list and tap Connect. You'll know it's attempting to pair. If the system requests permissions for media or calls, say yes, and if a PIN appears, type 0000. Most Hypergear models use this common code. Give it a few seconds. Once paired, you'll hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds and the Bluetooth menu will show connected. If stereo pairing is separate, pair the second bud to the first before testing audio. Finish by testing playback mic and onboard controls so you're sure everything works. Make sure your phone's media output is set to the earbuds. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding their buttons for 10 seconds to clear previous pairings. This often fixes stubborn connections. Also, reboot your phone or toggle Bluetooth off and on if audio cuts out. These simple resets resolve most issues quickly, so try them before diving into deeper troubleshooting or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.